Welcome to the SmartOffice Calendar Management course, sharing calendars with other users. Schedule the smart way by adding activities to other users' calendars in your office. SmartOffice makes it easy for you to view activities for some or all users in your office, and if you're using Exchange Sync, shared activities will also appear on your smartphone or tablet. For this example, let's say I'm an assistant and wanted to schedule a meeting for today with two coworkers regarding a monthly newsletter. First, let's make sure my calendar options are set up properly. I'll click my Account drop-down, and then I'll select Profile and Settings. In User Preferences, I'll click Calendar Options. It's important to note only SmartOffice administrators are able to access calendar options. First, I'll make sure the Show to Other Users options are selected under the Calendar and Task View options for not only myself, but for all users in my office. Also, the Color by Participants option should be checked. Next, click Detail. And in the Calendar Access Options section, click the View Other Users' Calendars drop-down. Again, this option is only available to admin users. Select Yes or Yes All statuses if you want disabled or previous users included. I'll also make sure Allow Activity Creation for multiple users is selected for this example. Click Save. And next, let's take a look at my coworkers' calendars. I'll open my day calendar. And if I run my cursor over the Show Other Users Calendar link, a flyover shows a list of my favorite users in the office. Favorite users are defined on the Basic Info tab in User Preferences. Now I can take a quick peek of coworker calendars from here, but for this example, my users do not happen to be in my favorites list, so I'll check the Show Other Users Calendar link. It's important to note, depending on office settings, some of these options may not be available. Here I can view my activities only, view activities I created, or view other users' activities I proxy for. This option displays the activities of users that I have proxy rights for. With this option selected, clicking OK gives me an available users list. For administrators, this list is determined by the settings specified in the Proxy Whose Data This User Can See link in my user account. If I click View Other Users' Activities, I can pull up the activities of other users as defined in my security and office settings. First, I'll include myself. Then I'll include my two coworkers. Click OK. Now you'll notice I'm viewing my calendar as well as the selected users' activities. If we had tasks, they would all be listed on the right. You'll notice SmartOffice assigns a color to each user as specified in the Activity Participants section. Here I can see 4 o'clock would be an ideal time to set our meeting. Since I'm in Simple Add mode, I'll click Comprehensive to give me additional options. And I'll add the participants from here. Here I set my subject, start and end time, type, and location. Click Save and Close. And here, SmartOffice adds the activity to the participants' calendars as well as my own. The list of all users whose calendars are currently being viewed can be displayed anytime by clicking Menu and then Show User List for View Other Users' Activities. And here's my name, as well as the two coworkers we selected for this example. You can review sharing calendars with other users in this fast class by using a link at the end of this movie. Get the latest news and information by following SmartOffice on Twitter. Connect with other SmartOffice users by joining Ebix on LinkedIn. exchange ideas, share solutions, and get answers to frequently asked questions. Please also take a moment to complete a brief survey regarding this FAST class. Your opinion is important to us, and we look forward to hearing from you. Please address any questions regarding calendars to a member of our support team using the support team link. We hope you enjoyed this edition, and we'll see you with our next edition of FAST Class.